Hi everybody, my name's Laura. Welcome to my channel. I make bag charms and wine glass charms, and more recently I started making bracelets, and I'll probably soon make necklaces and earrings. Today I'm going to open up this package from Bead Chroma. I discovered them on TikTok, and let's just do this. Then Leah, who's the owner of Bead Chroma, did a live sale. It was a no pressure live sale where she went through and had numbered all of her beads, and as you watched, you just wrote down what you wanted, and then once the live sale ended, you emailed her the items that you wanted. And it was a little bit of a gamble because you didn't know if you were going to get them or not, and it was sort of a first come first served through the email. But what was nice about it was, as you're watching, you could kind of relax. You didn't have to be all stressed out as you're watching the live sale. I unfortunately did not get all the items that I wanted, but I did get some, so that's what I'm gonna show you right now. I'm very excited for this. Okay, here's her card. And yeah, here's the loot. All right, let's start with this gorgeous pendant. I remember when she showed this during her live sale, like my jaw was on the ground. It is just absolutely stunning. I'm sorry if anybody's watching this who wanted this and they didn't get it, but I promise you I will make something really nice out of this. I like that it hangs off center, so I think the hole's up here. I'm so thrilled that I got this one. I love it. All right, let's stay in the world of pendants. Ooh, freebies. Oh my goodness, I didn't even, that's so sweet. Thank you, Leah. Let's see what we have here. Ooh, this is beautiful. I wish I knew what it was. Some kind of stone. Really nice. And this one, oh, it's a heart. Yay. I'm a heart girl. I love my hearts. I will use both of those. All right, let's open these. I think these were magenta rice pearls. I know Leah is real big into pearls. She's a massive pearl lover, and I knew I could trust whatever she was gonna have in terms of pearls, just because how much she talks about them. So these are adorable. They're smaller than I thought they were gonna be, as a lot of things are when you look at them through a screen like this. But I prefer dainty jewelry, so these are very nice. All right, and then another strand of pearls. These are a light green, and next to these, they're larger in size. Really pretty. I can see that on a bracelet. And here's my last item. A little sad. I wish I had gotten more. Oh, okay, these are what she was describing as dark teal. And it's so funny, like I, for some reason, thought all of these pearls were gonna be the same size. Did I not understand? That's okay. You live and learn. I mean, they're all gorgeous and I will make use of them. And I sort of did this to inspire or motivate myself to make bracelets. So that's the entire haul. Thank you so much for watching, and please like and subscribe to my channel. And I love doing these unboxings with you guys, so stay tuned for more to come. Have a good day.